Hi, this is Fisherman. I just wanted to show you how do we tell if it's a good time to buy, if it's a good time to sell, especially for day traders and scalpers. The first thing we do, for example, we're on the Nasdaq 100 daily chart. We are going to draw a box. So from your candlesticks, you look at the last 4 to 5, even 6 is fine, or where the price action took place. If the market is trending, we draw around all the places where the market touches. So at least the first 5 to 6, last 5 to 6 candles would be valid. From there, we go to your 4 hours. So from your 4-hour chart, basically you are just making sure that the box is within the right areas, especially where the market touched. Look at me moving this. Let me go back to daily, make sure that it is still valid. So right, so from here 4 hours. In 4 hours, this is what we're getting. And then now we go to 1 hour. 1 hour is where now we set up your support and resistance. 1 hour support and resistance, we draw your horizontal lines. Horizontal line. So Nasdaq 100, here was a movement. So basically this was the movement for, and this is the point where the market bounced from, support and resistance. So in there we go to 15 minutes. Now we're trying to find an entry, valid entry. So the market has already passed the support and resistance line, and it is still within the box. It is still playing within the box. The market is playing within the box. So for as long as it is within or in the middle of the box, or is already away from the support and resistance line, then that is not a valid entry. A valid entry, it is when either it is right on the support and resistance line or somewhere near the box line, the outside where the box touches. So those are valid entry points where day traders and scalpers can make the most profit from. Thank you guys, this is Fisherman once again. Thanks for watching my video.